Yıllar karması Zalim hali harada Abdül alem karması Sadar alem şudame
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I saw you all detailing step by step. So I request to you all for watch full video. In this video, I put some changes. First, I use a normal pencil for sketch. Then I choose watercolor. We all saw that Jagannath face color is black, and eye circle is red. I used all type of color for glance. I don't know how many people liked my video or dislike. My thinking is that never be stop, because I love to do painting. Watch painting related videos, learn every single step. So I must say to myself, keep try. One day you see magic in your life, and it's also made you perfect stronger Persian. At last, love yourself. Love you strength. Please wait and watch for last moment of this video. Thank you.